This is feedback from Fatima on her WR1 practice essay, second draft. Pretty good job. This is an essay that I know that you have spent a lot of time on, so you've had a lot of, opportunity to fix it. So it looks pretty good. Just a few things. Delete these first few numbers. Just leave the last 5. Delete that. You don't need that there. Make sure you make the first letter of all the major words in your of your title capital. And with your intro, one thing that I was going to suggest is, instead of saying like everybody ask and actually asking a question, say something like, it is important to know how much sleep we need. Which depends, instead of saying the answer, say which depends on several factors, including our age, right? So that'd be a nice complex sentence that you could put in there instead of asking, a simple sentence with a little a little question mark. You give a lot of great info here, but give me a transition sentence here from, you're talking about all these different causes, and then you straight go to your thesis. Give me something here, a sentence that says something like, with all these, with the number of increasing of, with it being so important to get enough sleep and having so many different causes of not getting sleep, it's important to look at the effects. And then you go into and with your thesis, I think it could be improved by saying good mental health. That'll be more specific than just good mental, and improved physical health, right? Not just physical health, but improved physical health, or better physical health, or good physical health. Anything that kind of, because when you just say physical health, it's just like good physical health or bad physical health. It's not clear. Yeah, so same thing here. So good mental health. And then you give pretty good examples. Delete this space here. And looking pretty good. So fix that, upload it into week 5, and print it out and bring it on Thursday.